Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves Blizzard Battles Round 11, the final round. Can't believe we've done 11 weeks of this and we're finally at the final round. Let's get into it. Today we have one I wasn't expecting to be here, but Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite going up against Chiseled Face Crematorium's Cryogen. And today we have, to go with it, the splash, of course, but being the final round and being that these both have a balm, we're going to be doing the balms as well. So we're going to double dose. It's going to be crazy. Using the Lone Star in the final battle, of course. I am using a new blade that I'm not familiar with. I just got these in, the German-made Schick Double Edge. I used one this morning on my head, and we're going to use one now in the Blizzard battle for the face. I've got the lathers whipped up. Gonna have Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite on this side. And beautiful lather. And we're going to have Chiseled Face Crematorium's Cryogen on this side. Beautiful creamy lather. Same bowls, same brushes as always. Here we go. Final battle. Let's see who does it. Let's get the glasses off. Let's wet the face. Does not seem I've been doing this for 11 weeks. It really doesn't. We're going to start with Frostbite. Great lather. CK6. Wonderful smell. Scent notes will be up. All right, let's get the excess off. Start working this in. There I go again. Just want to remind everybody the point system. So it'll be for initial lather right now, and this is kicking. And it's a 1 to 5. Each of them earn points in this one. The base of 1 being the strength of Parasso Green. The second point will be lather, or the first point's lather structure, which they both get a point already. So, and then the next point is, of course, what I just said. And that is freezing. Next point, 1 winner, second pass, 1 winner, third pass. And then it's longevity, whichever one lasts the longest after we've put the splashes on. And then reactivation and a bonus point for scent. All of those are 1 point, 1 winner. What time is it? All right, a little bit more. Ooh. Kicking right out of the gate just like last time. I rate this a 4 like last time already. Great menthol. All right, first pass with the grain. So tell me down below, what's been your favorite part of Blizzard battles? And give me suggestions of maybe another battle I can do later on. I have about 2 days growth. All right. That side is nice and frozen. Re-wet this side. Chiseled Face Crematorium Cryogen. I'm really worried about being able to judge this round. It was so close and hard last time and really didn't go the way I thought it would. I'm wondering how hard this one's going to be. Such a fantastic lather. Wow. And it is kicking as well right out of the gate. Immediately a 4. So we are already 5 to 5. This is going to be hard. Wow. They are pretty damn even. Crazy. Wow. Not so sure about this blade. It's nice and all, it's comfortable, but don't think it's quite as sharp as what I'm used to. I'm gonna need a few more shaves with it. You know, final product, I guess, is what matters. We'll see how I feel at the end of the shave. All right, so 5 to 5, both lathered, both got 4 points for initial coldness. And if I was picking one, and it's so close, so close, I would say that Cryogen just barely, but that could be just because it's the one I just put on. So let's get the second pass going. Ooh, that was cold. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Frostbite. Boom. Instant freeze. Love that. I think I remembered everything. It only took me, 11 weeks? I've got my blade loaded, lather's done, got my other phone in here for the timer, have a towel. Crazy, huh? Took all the way to the last battle. And just look how great this lather is. Both of these. Beautiful. So I purchased a new camera yesterday, or no, today. Was it today or yesterday? Anyway, it'll be here Monday. New camera with a mic and everything, a little more professional. We'll see how it goes, especially for when I'm in my computer room, but I'm gonna also try to use it in here. I know the lighting's already pretty good in here, but and it sounds better on my phone than it is on my computer, believe it or not, but we'll see how it goes. All right, across the grain. I know I didn't mention the scent profile for Cryogen because there is none. It's just menthol, if you remember. Oh man, this shave feels good. Man, this is very cold on both sides. Chiseled face, Cryogen. So, any of you have a favorite going into this battle 11 weeks ago, and where are they now in the rankings? Let me know. I know, got my nose going. I know Wet the Face, Cold Fusion dropping out last battle was a bit upsetting for a few people. Well, maybe not upsetting, but surprising. Surprised me too. I did not expect that, but I could not deny the side-by-side feel. So, all right, across the grain. My nose is going, guys. Maybe I was a little too hasty. This blade actually is nice. It is very smooth. Not the cheapest blades though. I saw Sig Solo use them and I was like, you know, I've never seen those. I want to try them. Found some at the wet shaving store. Thank you, Andy. I got them purchased and they just arrived yesterday, I believe it was. All right. Second pass. It's just barely again, but it's being pretty consistent. That chiseled face is just a bit colder. Just a bit. All right, let's go for the third pass. So that makes it 5 to 6. Very, very cold. Very, very cold. Love it. All right. Against the grain. Sorry, I'm enjoying this shave. Apologize, I'm being so quiet. It's a good shave. All right. Chisel face, Cryogen. They are both in the numbing territory now. My nose. I think y'all may see some tears this time. All right. Against the grain. You know, this is the first time I've done a face shave with these blades. I have to say, pretty dang comfortable on my neck. Oh yeah, it's great. All right, final pass. Wow. They're so close. But it's not so close, it's not hard, but it's close. I mean, it's as hard as last time, but there is a definite one that is heavier coldness feeling again. It's Chiseled Face Cryogen. So what was that? 5, 6, so it's 7 to 5. Let me get rinsed and we're gonna throw on the splashing balm. I'll be right back. Oh. Alpha Shaving Works towel. Man, it even feels like cold air when I'm breathing in. It's crazy. All right. Let me get the timer ready. All right, we're going to start with the splash. PAA's Frostbite. All right. Oh, such a good scent. Probably one of the better scented full menthol or heavily menthol soaps, I'd have to say. All right. That is kicking. All right. Chiseled Face Cryogen. Oh man. Ooh. All right. Ooh. What am I doing? Ooh. All right. Dry up just a bit. Ooh. Ooh, they are on fire. All right. Frostbite Star Jelly. About a quarter. Here we go. Oh man. Still there? All right. I think I can make it. That's hardly any. That's about the same as the Star Jelly I put out. Yeah, that's a good amount. All right. Oh. I'm gonna have to not use this towel later. How y'all doing? Huh? Good? All right. Yeah, me too. Timer. Almost forgot. Oh, I'm in another dimension right now. All right. Okay. Why am I talking louder? I can hear just fine. All right, guys. I can't see you. I can't see what I'm about to clean up, but I'm going to go clean up. We're going to wait this out, and we'll see you back for my final thoughts and the contest winners from the last, and just everything else. I'll be back. All right. Bye. All right, we're back. I've got the Santa cheeks again from the frostiness of those. Look at that. It's glowing, man. Wow. Crazy. So the time, it's a new record. 38.49. I was like, is this ever going to end? I believe it was because of the addition of both the splash and the bomb. The winner of longevity. What am I going to do, guys? The winner of longevity is Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite. So that puts us at 7-6. It's coming down to the wire again. Let's see about reactivation. All right. Going to do the whole face. All right. See what we got going. Got a new towel. This is Cryogen side. This is PAA side. I'm setting it with Cryogen side up. That way I don't cross-contaminate. I'm trying to keep this real. And my eyebrows are crazy. All right. All right, let's see what happens. I did hear the air conditioner just come on, so that stinks. That's all right. Yeah, it's still like in the 90s here, guys. So, yeah, menthol's definitely not bothering me to use right now. All right. Cryogen side was up. PAA side. It's crazy. I'm 100% prepared in the final episode. Figures, right? Had everything ready for this one. All right. They're both kind of definitely cooling. Intensity there's a definite difference in intensity on this one. It's very discernible. They're both feeling the same down here, just under the beard line, but I'm assuming that's because the beard held so much of that lather for a while. But overall, Cryogen has the reactivation intensity. So that makes it 8 to 6. And the scent bonus point, of course, is going to PAA's Frostbite. So that's 8 to 7. Congratulations, Chiseled Face Cryogen. You are, let me see if I can get you line up, the king of cold for this year. Good job, Cryogen. Valiant effort, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite. I thought I knew who would be in the final battle, and Cryogen was one, and the other one was Cold Fusion, but it was a bit of a surprise. So there we go, guys. We've wrapped up Blizzard battles. I hope you enjoyed this series as much as I enjoyed doing it. It was very fun, very informative. Got a lot of information of what I look for now in a menthol soap, and it's by no means the rules of this is the least amount, this is the best amount, because you got to remember I threw in longevity, I threw in reactivation, I threw in some other things that I wanted to know about. Not necessarily something, it has nothing to do with the performance of the soap, has nothing to do with the fragrance of the soap, has nothing to do with how good these soaps are. They are all fantastic. I own them all, I'll use them all. And it was just for my own benefit to know, well, which one do I personally think is the coldest? So just take that as you will. Your mileage may vary, as we all say. All right, to the contest, the drawing. I was holding a drawing for 5 winners of the Texan Shaves Menthol Abatement and Disposal sticker. I brought it with me this time. Told you I'm prepared this time. Beautiful hollow. They did a great job. I got these done at Slapco. Was it Slapco? Yeah, Slapco. They do a fantastic job on stickers. They usually have some great deals. So probably going to throw in the Texan Shaves Lone Star sticker, which is a 4-inch round. It's a little bit bigger. And I am definitely throwing in something new. Some of you may have seen me post this, but I'm going to throw in a soap scoop as well. And this is a Texan Shaves Lone Star soap scoop. And I was gifted these by Pete Hendricks from Hendricks Classics and Company. So if you see him around, tell him I said thank you. But I'm going to give one of these to all the winners as well. Hope you enjoy. I really like this. This was really neat. It was really unexpected. Pete and I had talked. He'd said he could get these made for me, and we talked about it. All of a sudden, they just showed up at my door. Thank you, Pete, so much. I love them. They're great. So I'm going to put up the names. I already did the drawing because I was using both my phones for this, so I'm going to put up the names while I'm talking about it. Here's the first one. And through the magic of editing, here's the second one. Here we go. Here's the third one. 2 more times. Here's the fourth one. 1 more. There's the last one. Congratulations to all 5 winners. Reach out to me via Facebook Messenger, Instagram direct message, or email me at texanshaves@gmail.com. That way I can get your address and get these in the mail. I'll get them to you ASAP. And listen, guys, thank you. We're so close to 500 subscribers. As I've said before, I don't ask for subscribers. I'm so thankful to the ones that do subscribe, because it tells me that they're subscribing. You're subscribing because you enjoy my content. This is just something I do for fun, pass the time. I'm an old man. I've got nothing better to do. So thank you so much. I'm planning something for 500 celebration. And I appreciate every one of you that are here watching my videos. Thank you so much. I believe we are 19 away. We were at 481, I believe, when I looked a little while ago. So thank you so much, guys. So much. Again, as always, if there's anything you want to see, if you want to bring back some content, I do have some ideas of some older series I was doing to bring those back a little bit. And but anything you'd like to see me try or do or try to shave with, always put them in the comments, guys. I read every one of them whenever I can, and I do respond to every one of them I read. And let's have a lot more fun, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Find your peace in what and where you can. Goodbye.